Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my regular old Ipsy Glam bag. It is my June Glam bag. Let's get into it and check it out. Ipsy Glam bag is the OG. It is a $14 bag. You will have a bag, you will have 5 products. They will be deluxe size samples. Periodically you will have full-size products. Yay. We have our paperwork, and this month we have the information we need for it inside. Of the 5 samples, you will have had choice in one of them. They give you a pretty good selection in the original Glam bag. You will get to choose one of them, so you will know something that's coming to you, and the other 4 they will choose for you. This bag is cool. We saw a picture of it. I think I spoiled it with my last bag. It feels different. I thought it was going to be plasticky. It feels more like scuba material. That is really cool. Is it thick too? It just feels a little thick. The zipper looks like kind of like a ripcord. This is perfect for summer. I am enjoying this a lot. Take my products out, and the inside is just a nice bright yellow. That is super cool. I love the sun on it. I like it. June is sunny days ahead. This month, we're delivering everything you need for a sun-kissed glow all summer long. Okay, first out, we have Balance Me. I think it says it's a cleansing milk. That is what it is. It is the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. The ultra gentle and fragrance-free cleansing milk helps clean and gently exfoliate your skin, all without stripping it. Thanks to a unique pre and probiotic complex plus squalene, willow bark, and manuka honey, it will help leave your skin clear, calm, and balanced. If it were full-sized, it would be 180 ml and have a $25 value. We have 30 ml, which is a 6th, so this is just a little over $3. I can tell that it's really thick in there. I don't know, getting it out in the shower might be a little bit tough. I think just a, oh yeah, no, it's gonna come out okay. I'm gonna get a little bit on the back of my hand because I just did another box where I put a little bit of a eyeshadow pencil on the back of my hand. This will give us the perfect opportunity to see if it helps take it off. Almost no scent. What there is just kind of, you know that random, it's a lotion scent. It just, there's no other way to describe it other than it smells kind of like a lotion. This is that, slightly clean. I don't want to say chlorine, but almost like a clean scent to it. Okay, it didn't make any difference, but we'll wipe it off. So that is what is left. I don't know how you're supposed to use it. I might have used it completely wrong, but you can still see, even though I rubbed it in and wiped it off, you can still absolutely, or I can still absolutely see the shadow pencil on the back of my hand. Morning and night, gently massage it over your dry skin, then remove it with warm water. So maybe it's the water that's the secret. Next out, we have a Jasmine Beauty Brow Boss Brow Styling Wax. Ready to master the full and feathered brow look? This styling wax is easy to apply and keeps your brows lifted, tame, and sculpted without feeling stiff or flaking off. Plus, the clear formula feels super lightweight on your brows and lasts all day. Well, before we go into this, let me tell you that they really had their lives together, because this is another one of my products, and it is the Chica Beauty Dual-Ended Brow Brush. So I got a brow wax and a brow brush. I mean, they're from different brands, but I don't care about that. Talk about a multitasker. This versatile tool helps you groom, shape, and define your brows. You can use the larger side to groom and fluff your brows, and the angled tip side to highlight and define your brows. Plus, it can be used as a liner brush. So the brush has a $12 value, and this is a deluxe sample of the brow styling wax. If it was full-sized, it would be 10 grams and $20, and we have very little writing is what we have. 5 grams, so we have half of it, so it is $10. This, I kind of like the way this feels. Remember the brushes that they tried to talk us into loving, that you would put your makeup on like this? Never worked great for me, but this feels like that. It's really, really soft. I love the way it feels. And then the other end, you could literally put your color on. But I think it's interesting that they gave us that and a styling wax. When you take it out of the box, that is what it looks like. I'm actually using, on days where I'm not doing much with my life, I'm actually using the Anastasia, actually I think I did it today even though I'm taping, the Anastasia Beverly Hills that's just like this. It's a clear wax and I just go through it. Some days I just don't feel like doing color. It's just clear. I almost can't show you guys anything. Probably looks like I'm showing you an empty Oh, so it does tap nicely on here. I wondered if it would work. I did my brows already once, but let's see if I can feel it at all. I cannot. But it is just laying down with my brows nicely. And I think my brows were probably fine to begin with. I will try both products. Those are things that I keep in my routine, so I am happy to share them. This is Plush Tint by Benefit. Look how tiny it is. I mean, that's my pinky. It's so cute. It got smaller. How cute is that? Look at that little fella. It's so cute. I don't know what it is yet, but it is literally like the size of my pinky. It is tiny. It is the Benefit Cosmetics Plush Tint in Purr. It's time to treat your lips to the 5-star experience they deserve. This rose pink lip tint has a plush matte finish and a soft focus blurring effect to make your palette look smooth and velvety. Plus, it delivers all-day moisture that feels comfy and never, ever drying. The full size is 0.2 ounces and $24. I don't know that there's a chance I can read anything on here. This is 0.07 ounces. This is maybe $10 worth. That's still shockingly surprising to me. Ooh, love the color. That is what it looks like. I'll put a little bit right here. Oh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. There's no point in putting it on my lips. I have a lot of color on my lips, but that is super pretty. I will absolutely play with this, especially if it's a lip tint, so that as the day goes on, here, let me rub it in. Yeah. So as the day goes on, you're just kind of left with that flush color on your lips. I like that a lot. I especially like it from when I'm around the house, because even around the house, I don't want to look in the mirror, catch myself in the mirror. I look very pale if I put nothing on my lips. Last out, we have my choice, which I think is a full face palette. It is Formula Z Glamgasm Pro Artistry Face and Eye Palette. This color is definitely different looking than what I chose. The picture that they show when we chose it looked far lighter and peachier and springier. I don't know. Ugh. I am not gonna swatch this because even if I do use it, I'm not gonna use it till fall. And if by chance, you know, we get so little makeup these days for me to be able to pass on in my giveaways that if I'm not sure that I'm gonna use something, I don't wanna swatch it in case I wanna pass it along. But that was my Ipsy bag. First off, we started this month with a great bag. This feels so nice. I like them so much better when they're not the vinyl-y feel. I mean, sometimes the vinyl-y ones are so cute that you get by it, but you start off on the good foot with me when you start off not vinyl. My choice was the face palette. I also got the milk cleanser, this cute little brush, the brow, do they call it gel or pomade? Brow Boss. It's the Boss applesauce. And this adorable Benefit lippy, which is very, very pretty. This is $14 to try all of this. I will put the information down below. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy, so it's just a link to send you over. I like it because it was my first video all those years ago. Oh my gosh, we're getting close to 6 years, guys, in September. 6 years I've been doing this. Wow. I always recommend this. It's a great starter place, or if you want to do one for your daughters or your granddaughters, it's a great place to start. I enjoy it very much. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. I hope you are having a fantastic day, keeping cool. If it's as hot there as it is here, it is crazy fire out there. Thanks again for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when we have more videos coming out. Have a great day, guys.